Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically forward emails to another account using Titan Email. This is perfect if you've changed your email address and want messages from your old inbox to go straight to your new one. First, log into the old Titan email account, the one you want to forward messages from. You can do this by visiting their website and signing in with your old credentials. Once you're logged in, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select Preferences from the menu. Under Preferences, you'll find the Forwarding section. Go ahead and click that. In the Forwarding section, look for the area labeled Forward Emails Out. Titan Email allows you to add up to 5 forwarding addresses. Click the Add button to start. Next, type in the new email address where you want all your messages to be sent. Make sure the option, Keep a copy of incoming emails in your Titan inbox, is set to Yes. Titan will now send a confirmation code to your new email address. Open your new inbox, find the Titan confirmation message, and copy the code. Go back to your Titan window, paste the code into the prompt, and click Start Forwarding. After you click Start Forwarding, check the Forward Emails Out list to make sure your new address was added successfully. You've now successfully set up email forwarding from your Titan account. From now on, all messages sent to your old address will automatically be delivered to your new inbox. Don't forget to let your contacts know your email has changed so they can update their records. And remember, this forwarding will only remain active as long as your old Titan email account stays open. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.